Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Uphold to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Binance Coin on Uphold and want to move it to Revolut for easier access or spending, you're in the right place. This process is quick, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Revolut and that you have some BNB in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the BNB asset from your wallet overview. This will show you your current balance and give you options to manage it. Next, head over to your Revolut app or website. Go to the crypto section and find your BNB wallet. You'll need to copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to miss any characters. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Now, back in Uphold, click on the Withdraw or Send option for your BNB. Paste the Revolut wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, network fees for BNB transfers on the BNB Smart Chain are usually low, but keep an eye on them. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction with two-factor authentication for security. Once that's done, sit back and wait. Transfers typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, check your Revolut account to confirm the BNB has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are final, so always stay vigilant. If you run into any issues, reach out to Uphold or Revolut support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.